This is how it's done. Oh, shit. Best part is that it's easy to ditch all this. Oh wait, I forgot I'm addicted to smoking! Even though it does nothing, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I'm so addicted to smoking. And dude, this looks great. It's so much brighter. This area used to be so much more horrifying. Factory's kind of great now. I can't kill you with my rifle, I just can't. Oh, look at this. The stars have aligned. Okay, do you have anything? Whoa! Ah, fuck! Fuck, 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 fuck. Ah! I'm so fucking dead. I have a flare. I saw some back there. That would totally help me out right now. I'm the sniper man. Snipey snipe. I'm really bad at concealing their location. I have to kill this guy now. And he's a goner. What's over there? Flashlight. Don't need that. Oh wait, I can turn my light back on. I'm not taking that risk. I should though, so I'm taking it. Ah! How'd he get here so fucking fast? Like, he was just walking a little bit ago. I'm swimming through the gunk, swimming through the goop. Swimming through the goop and gunk. If you're looking for a good quest game to play, play this one. I've been here. I fucking been here. And I died last episode because I got monkey bunked. I got straight up monkey bunked. I love this game, dude. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. You can't even monkey bunk me. Oh, zoop zoop zappy zap. Oh, zoop zoop. I got zoop zoop zapped. I got zoop zoop zap right there. Look at the head. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, not what I needed. Ah! Wait, my knife scared me. Zoop, zoop. I see you. Ha ha ha. Zoopy, zoop. I see you. Zoop, zoop, zap, zap. Why is reflector anomaly happen? I'm just gonna run and throw them as I go. Watch that! Oh, 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 oh! Yep, I'm out of here, I'm out of here, I'm out of here, I'm out of here. Haha, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Alright, let's just fucking murder everybody with the... Oh yeah, I forgot. This whole thing happens. can I get away scot-free without any consequences for my many crimes? Watch that. Yeah. Yeah. Unless I fuck this up, which would suck a lot. Oh! I fucked it up. I fucked it up. I got consequences. I forgot. Smoke. Sorry, recording might suck right now. Okay. Now, don't fuck it up. This complex device. That's what I like to call a dirty getaway.